Hey everybody, how's it going? Tumble dryer impromptu turn on. So in my investigation of new technology, not really new but new to me, I've obviously been playing around with Bitcoin mining, vibe coding, AI enabled coding, help coding. The latest and greatest thing I wanted to play around with was 3D printing, and part of that is because some of the adapters for the bit axis, you can buy them normally already printed, but I thought, maybe I should have a go and see how easy it would be to do myself. Although the introduction to 3D printing, the printer I bought may or may not be big enough, at least for the fan adapter. Now, it may be, depends on what size the fan adapter I print for is. I need to have a look, but if it's like the 12mm, then probably not. Because I think the size of this one is only 10mm, and I'll show you it. Hold on a second. Yeah, there you go. Next to my oven, but yeah, you can see it's got about a 10mm plate. So I'm not quite sure how big the adapter I need to print is, but I thought it's a great fun experiment to play around with. Back to me. Yeah, I thought it'd be a great fun experiment to play around with, see what I can print, see if it, as I say, the thing that I want to print may or may not be, this may or may not be big enough, I don't know yet, but at least it gives me the chance to print some parts of it, to have a kind of a bit of a play around with 3D printing, because if I enjoy it, then maybe I'll invest in a more expensive 3D printer, and kind of, experiment, learn new things. This will definitely give me the introduction to learning new things, even if it's only going to be small things I can print. Because it may be like I print some of the adapter, and then the part that I want to print, which is maybe for a 12mm fan, I might have to go and pay for that to be printed somewhere else, because you can usually send off things to place to get them to do if I can't print it on this one. I think it's a 12mm fan, but it could be smaller. Could be a 60mm. I say 12mm, I mean 12 centimetre, not 12mm, because they'd be tiny. 60mm, it may be. I know on the Bitax at the moment they're 40mm fans, so I'll see. I need to look at the heatsink that I'm going to put on there. But yeah, 3D printing. My next experiment, and maybe I'll do some videos of how this £47 printer from AliExpress works, if it does work, and yeah, is it a fun thing if you're looking to get into 3D printing as well? Is it a fun thing to learn on? Kind of like how the nerd miners or NM miner is a fun way to learn about Bitcoin mining. Can't do a lot with it, but it gives you that learning process. And I'm hoping that this little printer down here will give me that introduction to push me to get a bigger one if I enjoy doing it. If I find I don't do a lot of printing on it, then I probably won't. But yeah, so just thought I'd share this week. Going to get into 3D printing, and more to come. Right, short one this week. So I'll catch you all next week, and who knows, maybe I'll do a Linux gaming or video or something in between now and then. I don't know, see if I get the time. But yeah, speak to you all next week, and so does the tumble dryer, so the same. Bye for now.